Hello, everybody. We're out here.
I'm back.
He's back. We're out here at the, we rented a little cabin for the night, and we're gonna do some pike fishing and try to stay warm and eat some good food and tell ghost stories in the woods when it gets dark.
Yeah, we kind of struggled to find the cabin.
This cabin's a little bit tucked away, so we passed it a couple times. See out there?
Actually, we passed it once, but
Oh, the old girl brought us. She brought us out here. She's doing good. Ooh, I want to bring her inside with us, but William said no.
I never said anything about that.
But we got a fire going. It's starting to get a little warmer in here. Look at this. Ooh, yeah, that's nice.
It doesn't look the best on camera, but
Oh, I guarantee it looks great. So we got it going. These cabins are really cool. Like, you go on to, if you're from Alaska, you can go on to Department of Natural Resources, I believe, and they're like $60 a night. If you have like a veteran ID, I think it's like half off, like $30 a night, maybe a little more. But it's pretty nice out here. We got all our provisions. We brought heaters, chainsaws, ice augers.
the only thing we didn't bring is the ice fishing kit.
No, we're just gonna sit out on the ice
Yeah.
and just gotta catch some dinner. But if we can't catch dinner, we got some pork chops.
Yep, and also
Pork.
beef jerky.
Oh, and beef jerky. Can't go wrong with beef jerky, you know what I'm saying? I was gonna mount you guys on the snow machine and take you guys for a ride, but I forgot my mount.
I'm not going because my toes are cold.
Oh, yeah, his toes are cold.
Yeah, but my feet are fine.
Yeah,
I'm not sure why.
it's pretty nice
I
out
have
here.
Thermal boots.
So I'm gonna take a trip back to the truck, get a few things, and then we'll go ice fishing, y'all. All right, I'll see ya in a minute. All right, we're fixing to go ice fishing. We got everything set up. We got our bed set up. We got my bed set up. We got our food out. There's some holes already open out here, so we're gonna go give them a shot and see if we can't get us a fish before nighttime, which is in like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
10 minutes. We got our poles ready.
Well, it is nighttime.
It is almost nighttime.
It's 2 p.m. 3 p.m.
Is it 3?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's 3. So sun will be going down pretty soon. So we're gonna try to hit this and hit it hard. If we get a fish, we'll let you know. All right, so this is our cabin we're staying at. You can rent these off of the DNR website there. You know, if you're in Alaska, it's just a little small cabin. Rode the beast out. His feet were cold, so he's back in the cabin. His feet were cold. Got the sled attached here. Works really well. Heck yeah. Oh, still got some plastics there. Still got some plastics. Pretty. So when I tightened up the suspension, it seemed like everything got a little bit better. On the back there, the back suspension, I put that at about 4 clicks on each side, so it's working pretty well. Seems like the skis did a little better this time. They did do a lot better. So I'm gonna get some more different lures, and we're out there fishing. I don't know if you can see our poles out there. They're out there. I'm gonna get a different lure. Lures. What up, Chittles?
What's up? Ugh, cold.
Feels great. It's dark in here.
Yeah.
We'll put some lights on and then I'll get back with you. Well, we are fixing to eat some dinner. Poles are out. It's getting dark. We haven't caught anything yet, so
Yep.
it is what it is.
It's like really dark, even though it's like 4 o'clock.
Man, have y'all ever had Mountain House? This stuff,
Why are you talking like Texas type of feel?
Chili Mac. This stuff is so good. It's like the best. I absolutely love Chili Mac. And
It's like it's hot in this cabin.
Yeah, and it's really hot in here too. Might have to open the door for a little bit.
Yeah. Or open one of the windows.
Open one of the. I don't think the window's open.
I think one of them do.
Oh, maybe they do. Oh, so still haven't caught anything yet, and we're about to eat dinner. We'll boil in some water, make it a little more humid in here. It was pretty dry. All right, we'll get back with you if we catch. So it's almost 7 o'clock. We got the candles lit. Candles lit.
It's
We're
lit in here.
the wood stove's going. We ate some dinner.
Yeah, I mean that water's not even boiling yet.
It was okay. It's hot in here though.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
We got the fishing poles still out. I think we're gonna let them soak overnight. We'll just let them see if we got anything on there. The poles won't go through because the top of the ice is already
Yeah,
frozen.
like frozen.
So it's
Yeah, we threw water up in the air earlier today, and it was awesome.
Yep.
We should do that before we go tomorrow, so we can record it on camera. It's awesome.
Yeah, throwing the cold water in the air. It's boiling water and you throw it in the air and it just like snows. It's pretty awesome. But that's the update. We'll
See you tomorrow morning, hopefully.
maybe.
Hopefully we got something.
Hopefully we got some fish or something. And other than that, I think we're gonna lay it down for a little bit. I'll
Play some games on our phones.
play some games, maybe.
None of them are sponsored.
We got cards. We can play some blackjack.
I'm poor.
Play some spades.
I didn't even bring money.
All right. Well, we'll let you know when we all hit the hay. It's pitch black out. It's black, dark as hell. You can
Yeah.
barely see anything in here.
At all.
We brought our lantern, but it broke on the journey out here, or it would have been a lot brighter in here. It's a propane lantern. It sucks. It was expensive. I really liked it. All right. Good morning, everybody. It's about -12 here, 12 Fahrenheit. I'm going to start the snow machine for the first time, see how it starts up. We got a beautiful morning this morning. Beautiful morning. It's cold and it's beautiful. Had some wolves running through here last night. They were coming up through this trail right in here, coming down right from there, heading down this way, coming right by the cabin, and then they'd run by. So that was a little freaky, but we brought protection, so wasn't too worried about it. I don't know. They were moving. So let's start the snow machine, see if she can start up in this cold. So you're pushing the limits when you're dropping down to like -12 and stuff like that. Thinking about getting a rechargeable like block heater just to stick under there, maybe. I don't know. I always bring my little buddy heater, the propane one, just in case I have to put it under, let it warm up. I always bring that, my little buddy heater. I'm gonna go out here and check my poles, see if we got anything. We'll check that out. freaky, little freaky. I can get through here. Well, cut that line on accident. Oh well. See if we can do better on this one. This thing got thick. I'm gonna set you guys down for a minute. Okay. Well, shouldn't have left them out overnight. Well, I'm gonna probably drill some more holes and then put a line in the water just to see if we can get anything. I'll get back at you if we do. That was a cold ride. Cold ride.
Yeah.
It was cold.
Yeah, our faces look like really red.
We just wanted to say thank you for coming along, and if you made it this far, maybe you could give us a like and a subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. Till the next adventure.